Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the C.R. Lawrence. This is their part number BM8X80RB. This is a set of pole handles that are meant to be mounted back to back, and it's their BM series. The BM stands for... Well, this is the model that has the washer. I don't see that referred to here, but this is the, it's the B series, but it has the M integrated, which is this washer profile that you see here, okay? This is a BM pull handle set with washers. 8x8, that means that it is just 8-inch center to center. I'm not a fan when a company inserts their logo in places that are really visible. I prefer that not to be there. In an ORB, oil rub bronze, that's what this is. Very typical and common piece of equipment that you're going to find on, well, this would be used in a shower door scenarios where it would be used. Now let's talk about the let's talk about the finish that this is available in. Oil rub bronze, ORB, ABN for antique brush nickel, BN for brush nickel, BR for polished brass, BS for brushed stainless, BSC for brushed satin chrome, CH for polished chrome, PCO for polished copper. That's an unusual finish, uncommon. PN for polished nickel, PS for polished stainless, SB for satin brass, SC for satin chrome. And then I think a 13th finish is SN for satin nickel, and then W for white. So about 15 finishes. Now this is specifically intended to be used in an application where you have a requirement for back-to-back handles. This is intended specifically for the shower door industry because it's meant for something that's going to be, 5/16 thick, that sort of range on the thickness. I'm going to loosen the set screws that are evidenced here, here and here. This would be the top pull handle. So you will see it slightly here, and then down here it will be concealed. I'm going to loosen these so that we can take a look at what comes with this set of pull handles. Oops, loosen. Okay, and this bolt package, this hardware package, is specifically meant for this thickness of material. Now, if for some reason you wanted to install this onto an 1 3/4 door, you sure could. You're just going to need a different bolt package that we can help you with, so reach out to us. So we separate these, almost. Got to loosen up. Okay, so that's the interior handle. We've got that in our hand. Let's look at it first. The set screws are projecting out. The preparation of that is that it's just a hollow tube. This is tubular, and the word tubular is literally used in the description to mean that it is a hollow tube that has been bent into this shape. It's been bent, it's been machined, it's been drilled and tapped, and that's the interior side. Then you're going to get these cone bolts, and this will simply unthread. Oh, you need a screwdriver. So we've got that drawn out a little bit, and we can get it unthreaded. Just so we can show you what this looks like. Now, if you did want to put this onto an 1 3/4 thick door, or an 1 3/8 door, or a 3-inch door, you're just going to need a longer ⅛ bolt. And again, we can supply these to you. Just going to need a longer ⅛ bolt, because what they do is they take this cone adapter and slide it over, and then that's what the set screw locks into from the inside. That's how that works. Very simple installation. As we go through the piece, you're going to have your washer, your metal washer. That's the M in the part number. You will then have the nylon or the plastic washer. That's so that no metal touches the glass. Working through the opening, you're going to... Oh, I missed a washer. It'll be like that. That plastic washer goes there. Then you're going to have the bushing that will go through the hole. so that the bolt does not touch the inside of the glass at all. Then the reverse, plastic washer, metal washer, rubber washer, or nylon washer, and then back to the handle. Okay, so putting that back together, we're going to go like that. Your bushing will sit there. The rest of your material will sit like that. Then our bolt goes through. We lock that down. Some dimensional properties. Let's take that now. They said the center to center was 8" is what I meant to say. Indeed. 3/4 inch diameter on the bar. Okay. That would mean that the overall height's going to be 8 3/4. The diameter of these washers, however, will give it the illusion of seeming larger. The outside diameter of the washer, 1.253. 1.253 outside diameter. Okay. The size of the hole that you're going to drill in the door itself is 1/2 inch. You're going to drill a 1/2 inch hole, and that bushing will fit inside of your 1/2 inch hole. This will accommodate a glass range between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, and that will certainly suit almost all applications. It certainly suit all applications of shower door enclosures. Herculite doors, Herculite is a name used to describe a door that's all glass. You would not put a Herculite door into a shower enclosure. 3/4 inch glass is far too heavy for that. As Herculite doors are intended for exterior, literally exterior door applications. Okay, so now you can do this in an 8" as well. It would be a BM8X80RB, obviously, then whatever finish. The information down below this video does indeed talk about the washer variant with metal washer, constructed of 1.5 inch mil thick heavy brass tubing. The base material of this is indeed brass. It's tubular brass, but it is made of brass. That's a hallmark of C.R. Lawrence shower door hardware, made of solid brass, which affords an exceptional finish. When you're working with an architectural base material like solid brass, you're going to get really beautiful polished nickel. You're going to get really beautiful oil rub bronze. You're going to get a really nice look when it comes to a satin brushed chrome because of it's an architectural base material. The rest of the information down below gives us nothing new that we've not covered. There is a link below this video to a document called Cut Sheet, and that's handy because you'll be able to review different part numbers of these pull handles. And the question becomes, is how are they all different? So, and the cut sheet isn't really spectacular, but for instance, the CSH8X8, that is a wholly different shape of pull handles altogether. So the cut sheet doesn't show you what those look like. There's a couple dozen options that are there. And if you're looking for a particular shape, one good way to find it would be the link below this video to the manufacturer's page. Will allow you to get to the manufacturer's page within our catalog. That will allow you to pull up the shower door catalog from C.R. Lawrence, and then in there you can tool around and look at all of the different designs of handles that they have. So that would be a helpful way to go about and to look through that sort of material. That link to the manufacturer's page will not only show you all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to all of their other several and many subcategories, whether it be shower door hardware, commercial door hardware, architectural metals, aluminum storefront material, Blumcraft, egress compliant push bars, latching ladder pole kind of push bars, and a whole host of other items. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence BM8X80RB set of back-to-back pull handles or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.